okay. We're gonna be reacting to this FailArmy video. Holy cow. Dude, what were you thinking? Wow, that's scary. What in the world was... Wow, that's scary. For a second I thought that duck was dead. Oh, that's not good. Whenever you see an alligator bringing a turtle, it's not good. What in the world? Wow, that's interesting. Why would you even think going down a waterfall would be okay? Oh, what in the world? Oh my. What in the world? That is weird. Well, that's not good. What? That's really not good if one's that strong. Oh my god. That's a lot. I'm guessing dragonflies? What? Well, that should be a wake-up call for them not to do wedding outside. Well, that's not good. What? What is that? What is Hagen going to do to the elephants? Well, that's interesting. Oh my. What were you thinking, dude? Of course that's gonna happen if you touch a crab where its claw is at. What? They shouldn't have been tenting outside. No. Or camping. What? What? Well, that's not good. Wow, that's interesting. How the heck did that happen? What did you think was gonna happen when you brought your dog with you fishing? Well, that's interesting. What the heck? Whoa, that's not good. That should be a wake-up call. What in the world? Well, that's not good. Now you gotta go get a new house. Well, that's interesting. What is going on here? Okay. Huh? Why are you even driving in that weather? And that's not good. That fence has to be replaced now. Well, that's not good. Well, that's interesting. Huh? Yeah, that's not good. What in the world is wrong with people? Oh, that's a lot of um tumbleweed. For a second, I forgot what that word was. Well, well, that's not good. What that shark is doing. What in the world? Well, that's scary that a bear just came in the door. Well, I guess that's a sink. Guess they gotta repatch that road. Well, that's not good. Sorry if this is happening. I can't. What is going on here? Oh, looks like an ad's coming on. Huh. Ugh, sorry about that, guys. There's an ad. I can't help it. Ugh. Sorry if this happened. It just. Well, that's not good. Ugh. Oh, that's not even. Well, that's not good. That tree. What in the world? Yeah, keep running, dude. They're gonna catch up to you. Well, that's not good. They're gonna have to. What in the world? Oh, what in the world? Uh, get off the road if you see hail. What were you thinking, dude? Oh, well, that's not good. Well, you need to, go inside. Film that outside. What in the world? Well, that's not good. We're gonna. Well, that tree is gone now. What in the world? This is why you shouldn't be doing that with Storm. Huh, not good. Well, there goes that roof. Oh my god. What in the world is that cheering for? What in the world? That bird's hanging on. What in the world? Well, I guess you're gonna have to get a new roof. Call your insurance company. Well, there goes those trees. Well, there goes that tree. Oh, they're gonna have to get a new deck. This is why you don't bring your electronics near water. What an idiot. Well, there. What were you thinking? Well, I don't know what to do. I don't think that's a good idea to just. Well, I guess it's a good idea to stay in the car, I guess. No, that person's car is gone. Oh my god. No way. That's not good. Huh. Well, that's interesting. That's what you think. Huh. What? Well, that's like. Well, I guess you're gonna have to get a new table. Well, that's not good that all that trash is going around all over the place. No way. What in the world? Well, go inside. That roof What are you thinking? Standing right next to that water wave. Guess he got a bit more than he chewed. Then guess he got a huge fish. Oh my god. I'm guessing that. Well, I'm guessing that's a baseball. That's just weird. Well, what in the world? Oh my gosh. No way. Sorry, Vicky's freezing. This tablet and my phone is reacting to it's kind of slow. Well, that's interesting. Huh? Well, guess you shouldn't be near any glass if there's an earthquake going on. Because you don't know if it could break. There goes that tree. And it almost took the power lines with it. Oh my. I wouldn't be driving past that. What? Well, uh, dude, what were you thinking? Put it up to your lips, not far away from your lips. Oh my god. What is going on? Oh, that's interesting. Well, whatever that is, it's gonna have to be replaced. Oh my. Yeah, that's not good. There's no way you're gonna find the drain. Guess this person will be looking for their trampoline. Oh. No, they didn't. Not all the trees went. Oh my god. Huh, that's interesting. Aren't you gonna pick that up? Oh, that's interesting. What the heck? How'd they get in? What? Oh my god. Yeah, that's not good. Oh my. Dang, that thing almost got taken away by that shark. Well, guess you shouldn't have done that. Oh my. Oh gosh. Oh wow. Well, there goes that tent. What in the world? Well, that's not good. All the water coming in. Oh my god, that's a lot of wind. There goes that dumpster. Oh my. Huh. Well, that's interesting. Well, that's interesting how somebody's in the air like that. Oh, well, it's windy. Yeah, that's not a good idea. Well, that's interesting. I never trampoline. Oh my. The world, that umbrella's upside down a little bit. Oh my. Oh my. I never had, sorry about that. Oh my. What in the world? Oh wow. What were you thinking, dude? You, oh my. Well, there goes that tree. Huh. Oh my. Oh. Oh well, that tree came out of nowhere. Huh? Huh? What in the world? Oh my, that fish is trying to escape a seal. Huh? Well, that's interesting. Oh my god, that's not good. All those bees inside that car. Nope, no thanks. Oh my god, that's a lot of flooding. What were you thinking, idiot? Should know where your drone was going. Oh my. What in the world? Oh my god, what in the world? Well, guess that camel was hungry. Yeah, now pull up your window. Oh my god. Hope that person's okay. Oh my god. You are lazy. What is going on here? Is it a trampoline going? Oh, oh my god. Sorry if I keep moving this around. Oh my. No way. No way. Oh my. Get, people, get out of the way. Oh, look at all those elephants. That's cute. What is going on here? Oh my god. Oh my. I sure wouldn't be petting the cow after that. Oh my. Oh. Well, that's interesting. Oh, sorry about that. I guess there never ads going on. Weird ads buffering. Yep, I never ad. Well, that's interesting. Why are you going down that? Idiot. Oh my god. Dude, don't just film it. Don't film that. Just get out of the way. Oh my god. Oh, that's interesting. Never seen one. What? What just happened? You idiot! Why would you roll down your window? Oh, that's scary. Stop. That's interesting. Oh, there goes that roof. Oh my god. Oh my god. That tiger just peed on them. Oh my. What were you thinking, dude? Really? Oh. They must be speaking a different language. Oh my. Oh my. Well, that's not good. Oh my. Yeah, there goes that tree. Well, looks like people will be looking for their garbage cans. Oh my. There's no way. Ugh. People are ridiculous. What were you thinking, dude? Oh my. That, that drink could have been spilled easily. Oh my god, all those fish. That's interesting. Ah, that's interesting. That fish was too big for that eagle. People. Well, that's interesting. Oh god, that's a lot of snow coming off the roof. Oh, guess that road was slippery. Pull up your pants, dude. Oh my god. All that hail. Get away from what door? Oh my god. I guess that chicken won't let him out of his truck. Oh well. Oh, that's interesting. Oh my god. I never ends. Sorry about that. Who cares? Well, that's interesting. What is going on here? Oh my god. You should have seen that tree. Did you? Oh, that building just got struck by lightning. Oh my. Yeah, let that monkey have that water. Oh my. I guess that person's gonna have to get a new tablet. Uh, I sure wouldn't have gone after that fox. But what the heck were you thinking, dude? You could have broke that raft. Well, that's interesting. Oh, oh my god. That's a big fish. I wonder what kind of fish that is. Oh, that's interesting. Oh my. What for? It, dude, you're doing. Why are you doing that? Oh my. Huh. Huh. There goes that tree branch. Oh, look at. What the heck? Dude, why were you even that close to the window? I guess they're trying to help her? What in the world? It's too windy to ride your bike. But that's not supposed to happen. Well, that's interesting. I guess they're gonna have to get a new golf club. Uh, uh, huh. You don't have to. No, you don't. You don't have to. Get that drone away from that lava. Oh my god, I hope that person's okay. Oh, that's not good. What in the world is that? That fish, that octopus completely blended in. Well, that was pointless. Okay, I guess she's scared of bugs being on her. What were you thinking, dude? That's a bat, I believe. I guess he's scared of a bat. Well, now whoever was there, that is cold, probably, and wet. That horse is not good. Oh my. Well, that wasn't good. And also, a horrible world. That's not good. I never had, sorry. And sorry about that, about what happened earlier with my, I wasn't supposed to, I was trying to just get a piece of hair, and that happened. And I accidentally reversed the video thing. And I accidentally put my face on there instead. What in the world? Hopefully that was the last I had. Huh. Oh well, that's interesting. That tent. Well, there goes that tent. Oh my god, get your parked cars out of the street. Well, that's interesting. Oh my. Oh god. Didn't you see that wave coming? Come on. Well, I hope that person's okay. Oh my. Oh, that's not good. Whoa. Get out of the way, people. Come on. Don't you see that corrosion could happen? Oh my. Huh, you should have stayed inside. Okay, bye.